Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the S&P 500 futures chart. As you can see in today's trading session, we're trading towards the downside for the second day in a row, and this is likely due to the Fed's meeting this afternoon. We have the Fed interest rate decision followed by the Fed statement and conference where journalists will be able to interview and ask questions to the chairman, Jerome Powell. Now that is going to have a huge effect on where the S&P 500 and other indices like the Nasdaq 100, the Dow Jones 30, and the likes of gold head next. Jerome Powell, I think I've just mentioned it in my Nasdaq 100 and gold video, but Jerome Powell is going to get absolutely bombarded with questions from journalists in today's conference, and they're going to just be saying to him, Jerome Powell, do you recognize the fact that we are likely to see an economic boom? Now, if Jerome Powell comes out in that conference and says, yes, he does recognize that, he has thought about that, and he has seen the 10-year note rising rather significantly, and he believes it may still go higher, well, then that's when the markets will fall rather significantly. You could probably, see the S&P 500 fall straight towards 3,800. That being said, Jerome Powell is very good at his job. He's been in this difficult situation several times in the past, and his job basically this afternoon is just to say the right things and to not slip up. As long as he just comes out, and this is what I anticipate him to do, is to basically come out, and whenever a journalist asks a difficult question like that, he just has to stand his ground and basically say that, from his perspective, he still sees a very negative unemployment figure, as well as rising inflation, and those are two massive concerns for the Fed, and for that reason they are going to continue to support support the financial markets the way that they have been doing so for the past 6 to 9 months. So I'm bullish. Today don't expect a massive surge towards the upside. We may pair our losses for the day after Jerome Powell's spoken, but I'm more interested going in towards the end of the week, and especially going into next week. Okay, so personally, a bullish outcome for me today is if we ended above 3,900. Even if we dropped another 39 points, I would see that as a bullish outcome. And then, as of tomorrow, that's when we can start to look up towards 4,000. So I am bullish here in the S&P 500. I have no interest in selling. I think we're well supported down at the 50-day EMA, down at 3,850. We're trading well above the 200-day EMA. RSI is below 60, so that gives us plenty of territory to move towards the upside. I'm a buyer, no interest in selling.